Welcome back to Showroom Sessions. I'm Rick Dimmick with Red Noland Pre-Owned. Today I'm bringing you a 2017 Chrysler 300S all-wheel drive sedan. This one has just a little under 38,000 miles. Does have the 3.6-liter V6 with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Very nicely equipped with the navigation system, backup camera, blind spot, cross path detection. This one also has the front and rear parking assist. Inside you'll find heated leather seats, dual zone climate control, a beautiful panoramic roof. And for all you audiophiles out there, this one has the 10-speaker Beats audio system complete with subwoofer. Come by and check it out today.